Hello everyone, welcome to Electric Vehicles and this is Pavan Kumar. LML Electric Private Limited, an electric two-wheeler manufacturing company has started the bookings for its new electric two-wheeler. LML has introduced the concept for its three anticipated products, the Star, an e-scooter, Moonshot, an e-hyperbike and Orion, an e-bike, under the theme Reimagining the Legend. For its vehicles, LML has constantly compiled with international safety standards and it is continuing to do so for its upcoming models. Actually, this LML brand is not new to market. In 90s, they were into two-wheeler segment in association with Vespa. Due to some reasons, they shut down their operations in 2017. As of now, the company has opened the bookings for its first electric scooter LML Star. One can visit LML's website and can reserve their LML Star, and the interesting part here is one can book the vehicle with zero token amount. Company has not revealed the details about the vehicles, but the Star electric scooter will come up with an effortless commuting experience, photosensitive headlamp, interacting screen, adjustable seat. And the most interesting part is it will come up with 360 degrees camera, which is first of its kind in electric two-wheeler segment. Along with this, LML is also going to launch two more products soon. One is Moonshot, which is a dirt bike meant for enthusiasts, and the next one is Orion, which is an electric bike. Coming to Moonshot, it is confirmed that it will come up with a portable battery, fly-by-fly white tech and pedal assist as well. Talking about the Orion, the hyper electric bike made for light and agile city rides, it will have an IP67 rated battery and an inbuilt GPS. To know more about these brand new two-wheelers, we have to wait for some more time. And that's all for now, friends. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family members. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we upload the videos. See you all in the next video. Until then, go green, go electric.